A Gad Wod Dis, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, me go read from the book we name Acts, chapter 3, from verse 1 to verse 10. One day, Peter and John did a go up God's house. At the 3 o'clock in the day, the time when people meet for pray. At the gate for God's house, the gate we then call Gate Beautiful, he did have one man with a cripple from him born. Every day, they would have put him at the gate for beg something from the people them were going at the yard where God's house there. When the beggar man see Peter and John both for go in, he beg them some money. Peter and John looked straight upon him, and Peter said to him, "Look upon we." So the cripple man fastened his eye them upon them, because him feel sure, so them did I go give him some money. Then Peter said to him, "Me not have no money at all can give, but when me have, me I go give. In Jesus Christ's name, the one we come from Nazareth, get up and walk." Then Peter hold him right hand and help him to get up. Same time the man foot them get strong. He jump right up and start to walk. Then he go with them in the yard where God house there. I walk and I jump up and down and I praise God. When the people them see me walk and I praise God, them say at the same beggar man we used to there the gate for God house. The gate we name Gate Beautiful. Them did so shock. Them couldn't believe what happened to him. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.